Welcome to AHA Math and Science. In today's video, I'd just like to give a quick update about the trading signal that I have developed for SPY and also in this video, QQQ. So the market has been really kind of like crazy, and it looks like a mad bull that is running, and it really makes people nervous. So here I just want to kind of tell you guys what my trading signal is saying. So here the blue curve is the performance of SPY from January 2020, and then this pink curve is the performance of our model, and the black line is actually the signal. So whenever the signal is above this red line, and that's basically an indication for us to sell. So here's a sell, and that's another sell here, and another sell here. And then whenever the signal is below this green line, that's when we should buy. So there's a buy signal here, and another buy signal here, and then buy signal here. So based on this model performance, you can see it really kind of smooths out some of these downturns. So in this bear market, SPY has not even made an all-time high yet, and the model performance avoid a lot of these drawdowns here, and then was able to just kind of made an all-time high. So really kind of interesting. And a few weeks ago, I point out that when I first did a video on this trading signal, that indicating the signal indicates that we should be definitely buying SPY. And a few weeks later, you can see the market is really kind of on this almost like a parabolic, increase. So really kind of crazy. And you can see the trading signal now is starting kind of rise, but it's still far away from this red line. So just based on trading signal alone, we would not be actually selling the SPY at this point. So we should be still kind of in at least the hold mode. So not a selling mode yet. We should still just kind of hold whatever the position we have. And then this is the statistics from January 1st of 2020 to now today, which is June 15th, 2023, about 3 years. Actually, yeah, 3 years. So a little over 3 years. So you can see the SPY has gained 144%, and the model gains is actually almost 200%. So the model beats just buy and hold the SPY by about 55%. Not bad for actually over 3 years. Now, this same strategy can also be applied to actually trade other ETFs, such as QQQ, which is very popular. You can see the QQ has been just kind of on a tear also, just by itself, and just in the recent weeks. Another kind of really kind of parabolic curve you can see here, make people nervous. Now, the model actually even performance much better. You can see you already made an all-time high, even though the QQ has not. So just during this bear market, you can see that this is when the model says we should sell, and then this is where the model says we should buy, and then another trading pair is here, sell, and then buy back. Just by doing this 4 operation, you can see it has already avoided a lot of the drawdowns during this bear market. And so the curve still kind of fluctuate, but you can see it's much better performance than just kind of buy and hold. And this makes actually made it possible for the model to actually already made a all-time high. So now the market is really kind of on a tear, make investors really kind of nervous. What we should do? This is really kind of the tough part of trading, because we always kind of fighting the human nature, which is basically fear and greed. Whenever the market drops, we kind of like feel like, oh, it's going to be bad. But sometimes actually when the market drops, it's really the time to buy stocks. So in this case, it's just really hard to just based on like a person's just a natural tendency to trade stocks. In fact, this mechanical signal sometimes can be a much better sort of like a guidance, so that you won't be governed by human psychology. So as a result, you can see that still we are not really in a mode to sell the stocks yet, because you can see it was very kind of a low signal here, so indicate we should definitely buy, but it's still very far away from the sell signal either. So we really should be kind of in a holding these positions, whatever that we have already acquired here, and then just wait, see how the market does, just by itself. So here are the statistics from January 1st of 2007 to today, June 15th, 2023. QQQ has gained about 960%. And following the model, it actually gives a much better performance. It's an impressive, almost like 2,000% increase, which is 20 times follow increase. Not bad at all. And you can see that the advantage you get, beat the buy and hold QQQ by 973%, almost double the performance. So this is really sometimes kind of the power of just kind of following a trading signal mechanically. But sometimes it's just difficult because we are all kind of humans, and the human nature really sometimes kind of affects our trading. So I hope this update about the trading signal gives a little helpful information, and hope you have found this video interesting. Again, your support really means a lot to this channel, so please do not forget to click the like button and also to subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. Thanks a lot for your support.